Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Walter and I just got something through UPS today. Let's see what it is. Got this package from Amazon. Okay, the first thing is a fabric lint remover. And I got it for sweaters. I have these sweatpants that have a whole bunch of lint in it. And hopefully this will get rid of the lint and the fuzz. Company called Kelite fabric lint remover, and it's rechargeable. And here it is. Here's the power outlet, and that would just plug into here and plug it into the wall, and it is rechargeable. Should be some kind of charge on it. Let's see if I have any fuzz on my okay. There's settings on it: high, medium, and low. I'm guessing that's the not the speed of it, but like how deep it goes to the clothing. So hopefully that'll work out for me. Alright guys, here's my sweatpants, and I'm gonna see how good this works. As you can see, it's taken a lot of the fuzz off, making it smooth. As you can see, a lot of the fuzz is taken away. Show you, just take this off here. I'll show you all the fuzz that's, wow. Look at all that fuzz there. And that was from about less than 5 minutes. So this is a good investment, and yeah, so if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my next video. Thank you.